So Samsung's beans are finally live, and yeah, they are quite something. Hey there tech heads, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and today we're taking a look at the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live and just how good they are. So make sure you watch the entire video and stick to the end to hear my thoughts on them, and yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so here we have a quick unboxing. So taking up the box, we have the Galaxy Buds Live in their case. So I peeled off this sticky thingamajig, and yeah, this is the Galaxy Buds Live case. It's really glossy. Then in this small package, we have the USB Type-C connector, yeah, in black, and some ear tips. I already put some on the Buds Live, so that's why there are not a lot in the case. Moving all that aside, we have the Galaxy Buds Live case. It's pretty glossy, as are the buds. So yeah, they are quite glossy and shiny, and obviously bean shaped. So yeah, let's move on to the next part. So when it comes to the build quality of the Galaxy Buds Live, the case is made out of this really glossy plastic like we saw on the Galaxy Buds Plus. The buds themselves are made out of a really shiny, glossy material as well, and it kind of adds to the aesthetic as they don't really pick up fingerprints as much as the case does. I tried turning them over and shaking them around, but they did not fall out of the case because the magnets here are really strong, much stronger than those used on the normal Galaxy Buds. Now, my slight problem is with the design, and while I applaud Samsung for trying to bring innovation, it also comes at the cost or at the price of sound quality, which I will get into much later. Stay tuned for that. The Buds Live can be awkward to fit into the ears, especially if you have small ears, but once you get the motion down, they can be really comfortable. In my experience, the sound quality of the Galaxy Buds Live was amazing. The bass was thumping, the mids were clear, and the highs were really clean. Nothing sounded muddy or tinny to me. Now, my problem came in with the active noise cancellation, because this had potential to be amazing had Samsung not changed the design of the buds. The lack of the traditional silicone tips and in-ear design of the normal Galaxy Buds really made this feature pretty much useless. I couldn't even tell when it was on. If someone was to talk to you, even while you're listening to music, you would still hear this person speaking to you. It is not on the level of any other active noise cancellation out there. It's not the Galaxy Buds' fault, it's just because the design does not allow for the proper sealing. Now, I hope Samsung really corrects this moving forward, because we are still yet to see proper active noise cancellation from them. Okay, so this is the microphone test for the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. I'm actually standing outside right now on a busy street and cars are passing by. So let me know what you think in the comment section down below. How's the noise? How's the voice amplification, or whatever it is it's supposed to do? Yeah. By the way, if you're enjoying what you've been seeing so far, a subscription would be massively appreciated. Thank you. Battery life on the Galaxy Buds Live was okay. It wasn't the significant leap we saw in the Galaxy Buds Plus, but it was okay because you get 6 hours of playtime, 7 hours extra with the charging case, and about 5 hours 15 minutes with active noise cancellation turned on. When it comes to charging, the Buds Live actually have quick charge, which enable you to have 35 minutes of playback from 3 minutes of charging, or even an hour of playback from 10 minutes of charging. I wasn't able to find out the exact full charging time, but it was significantly less than 2 hours. So yeah, that's basically it for the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash that like button and subscribe, as we're on the way to 500 subscribers, and I really hope for us to get there soon enough. Also, if you want to see a full comparison against the Samsung Galaxy Buds, the normal buds, leave that down in the comment section and I will see if I can put something together for you guys. Then again, please make sure to check out our podcast as well, Tech News Nerds. All the links you'll need will be in the description box below. Also in the description box, can you find the links to get the Galaxy Buds Live and all the gear I use in producing my videos. Also make sure to check out my previous videos on the channel. You know, they'll be floating around me as they usually do. And with that said, you stay cool, stay safe, wear your mask, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Where did I put my... Oh, there it is.